Coffee up, we're locked in strong. 60 seconds, make it clear who you.
Good morning, BNIers. Dustin here with your education moment. 2 minutes, one idea, better referrals. Let's go. Today, I want to talk about what I call the Referral Goldilocks Zone. Have you ever heard of a weekly presentation that was so broad you had no idea who to refer? Maybe someone says, anybody who needs insurance. Well, that's almost everyone. On the other hand, have you ever heard a presentation so specific that you thought, I'll never meet that person? Something like, I'm looking for a left-handed dentist who owns a lake house and needs a commercial umbrella policy. That's probably too narrow. The best referral requests live in the Goldilocks zone, not too broad and not too specific. A great referral requests something like, I'm looking for business owners with 10 to 50 employees who are struggling to keep up with bookkeeping. Or, I'd like an introduction to parents who are stressed about finding reliable after school care for their children. That's specific enough to recognize, but broad enough to find. When you're preparing your next weekly presentation, ask yourself, will my fellow members actually recognize this person when they meet them? If the answer is no, adjust your message until it lands in the referral Goldilocks zone. The easier you make it for people to spot your ideal referral, the more referrals you'll receive. This has been another education moment by Dustin. See you all next time. And as always, relationships build revenue.
Meeting starts, badge goes on. Coffee up, we're locked in strong. 60 seconds, make it clear who you helping, why you're here.